Hey guys, it's Tuesday, February the 6th of 2024, and I want to go over Palladium. Without any further delay, let's get into it. So, I started to compile my list of stocks. So, I'm going to go over what I have on my watch list because I think things are going to get interesting in the next couple of months. We're going to start off with Palladium. And I like to see the big picture. The big picture is getting all the data you could get and kind of see what is the range. Just kind of look at the chart without any indicators. I'm cheating. I got color codes on my candles. So they're white, that means they're bullish. And when they're red, obviously, it's red, it's bearish. So what's the lowest we've been? 146. The highest we've been has been 34.25. And just by looking at the years, it looks like it trends and then it could kind of go sideways for a couple of years. And then you got this big bump in 2016. And it looks like 2021 was kind of it, but then it really spiked 2022. And then from there, it has been going down. This area right here looks pretty stable. Around here, it was like 800 and and change. You got this other level here, and this is the quarterly, and the monthly. You can kind of see the levels a little better. Weekly and daily. Got this nice pop. Interesting here. Look at that. From the 5th of December, big pop. And then on the 22nd, it just kind of stalled. It made a low of 904. Kind of popped and sideways, it's kind of going sideways as of now. So we'll see. So the stock, what I'm going to start off with is SBSW. Sibany Stillwater. I guess is the most liquid, very popular. Has a lot of assets. The highest this thing has been is $20, and the lowest has been is $2.02. Looks like it started trading in 2013. It's kind of like dip, down, up. Somewhere, pretty much that pop we had in Palladium, and now it's kind of pushed back. So that's that first stock. And you can see that it kind of mimicked whatever Palladium did. And now it's doing the same thing. The next one is PALL. Aberdeen Standard Palladium. It's an ETF. The lowest has been is $38, and the highest has been is $298. And you can see some kind of base here. And then there's another level here, support. Obviously, the trend is down, so you can see that it mimics the Palladium. Got this nice spike, and then it pulled back. The next one I have is Ivanhoe Mines, IVPAF. IVPAF. And for some reason, this one is trending. And I got these from the internet, and someone has sent it to me on the YouTube comments. So I'm kind of compiled things. I haven't looked at these stocks individually. Like look at their details and everything and make sure that they cover palladium. But this is another one, but this one is odd. This one is going up. It's kind of puzzling now that I'm looking at it. It's like $10, $11. I don't know in regards to volume if it's very liquid or not. I'll have to see when we do the US Open to kind of see the volume and all that, what it's done. Or kind of put a volume chart and just kind of see what it normally tracks. The next one is PLG, Platinum Group Metals. Maybe they have some exposure. This looks like more of a OTC penny stock. The highest has been, it was 500. And it went down and has been going sideways since 2018. So not very liquid. I don't know if I want to invest on this one. But I have it on the list. But it does mimic, whatever happens on the Palladium. So if you're into some risky stuff, maybe you could, throw in a grand, $500. This is like 99 cents or whatever you don't mind. If you're gonna, if you lose, it doesn't hurt you. As an idea, but that one is there. PLG. There's also Palladium One Mining, NKORF. It's been down to pennies here, 0.014, and has been as high as 0.487. And it's since 2016. Pretty much a penny stock. And I guess it moves here and there, so I don't know if anybody's interested in the penny stocks. But that's one of the Palladium stocks that I have. And then there's the SPPP, Sprott Physical Platinum and Palladium Trust. This one's been as low as $5.04 and as high as $21.59. And it's somewhere around here in this range. So there's an ETF there for you. And that's it. If you have any more ideas or stocks or anything else, I'm very interested in US ones, but from what I'm looking at the list, it looks like the Sylvania Stillwater is probably the best one from all of these stocks. Maybe that's the one I'm going to put a trade. I just wanted to see my options and just kind of go down the list, but this is the list I have. But if I come across some more, I'll update it. And then I'll dig in deep into these stocks. And not too crazy about the penny stocks, but you could probably make some good money out of them. I just want stuff that's, very liquid. And this one looks like it's pretty liquid. So over here, this chart, you see this is the dollar. It just got out of the cloud on the daily time frame. So that's showing some strength. Finally broke out of the daily cloud, so that's good. So that's it. I'm not gonna make this video too long. Just wanna let you know my list. If you want to check it out and do your own research, I'm gonna dig in and pick maybe one or two or three most, where I would probably, until I find some more of anything, but definitely one or two or three stocks to kind of narrow it down, and then just kind of wait for things to set up, and then I can pull the trigger. I'm going to sign out. Hope you like this video, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on Palladium.